Good morning, Foundation. It's phonics time. We're going to start off by saying the sounds that we already know. See if you can say them with me. S, a, t, p, I, n, d, g, o, k, 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 e, o, r, h, b, f, s. Now we're going to take a look at some of the phase 3 sounds that we've been learning about recently. Say them with me. Ch, v, w, x, y, z, z, qu, ch, sh. Well done. Can you spot some of our digraphs from last week? Can you point to the ch sound? Ch for cheese or chick. Have you found it? Well done. Here's the digraph ch. Now have a look, see if you can find the digraph qu. Where is it on our phase 3 sound mat? Qu. Qu for queen. Well done, there it is. Qu. Have a look to see if you can find the sh sound. Sh for shark. Well done, there it is. There's the digraph sh on our phase 3 sound mat. Let's have a go at reading some words. You can read these really quickly because they've got some grapheme sounds that we already know. So see if you can spot some digraphs in this word. I can see 2 digraphs. Let's read it together. Ch, I, k, chick. Did you spot the digraphs? Well done, we've got ch at the beginning and k at the end. 2 digraphs in chick. Ready? Let's speed read these words now. My turn first and then pause the video to read it back. Ship, ship. Quiz, quiz. They're playing a quiz game. Time to read our tricky words. Ready, my turn first and then I'd like you to say them back. He. Your turn. He. He opened up his book. Next one. She. Your turn. She. She was playing outside. She. Next one, my turn first. We. Your turn. We. We had fun last week. Next one. Me. Your turn. Me. Can you help me? Right, we're going to read a sentence now. See if you can spot any of the key words. Well done, we've got we at the beginning. Can you read it with me? We will go to the shop. Shop. Let's read it again. Use your reading finger to help you. We will go to the shop. There's a picture of a shop. I've got a new sound today. What do you notice about this sound? Well done, it's a diagraph. Can you remember what a diagraph is? 2 letters that work together to make one sound. Our new sound today is the sound th. Th. You got to stick your tongue out to touch your teeth and say this sound th. Th. Can you say it with me? Th. 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 Can you think of any words that have the sound th in them? Here are some pictures to help you. So we've got a thumb thumb. Can you hear the sound th at the beginning? Thumb. Say the word to help you. Got a number? What number can you see? 3. 3. Can you hear our new sound? Feather. Feather. Where can you hear the sound? Well done, it's at the beginning. Say it really slowly so you can hear the sound. Feather. And then we've got teeth. Teeth. Where's the sound this time? Is it at the beginning or the end? Let's have a go at reading some words with the new diagraph sound th in them. My turn first, then I want you to pause the video and have a go at reading it yourself. Off. Moth. A moth flew into the room. Moth. Where's our new diagraph? Can you find it? Well done, it's at the end. Next one. Bath. Bath. It's time to have a bath. Where's the diagraph this time? Well done, it's at the end. Those two letters that work together. Next one. Thick. 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 See if we can read it faster. Thick. Thick. I found a thick pencil to colour with. We're going to use our new sound to speed read some words now. So see if you can pause the video to read this list of words. Just like we've been practicing, sound them out and then blend the sounds to read the word. Path, path, bath, off, moth, thin, thick, off, cloth. When you read them, see if you can spot the th sound in each word. We've got a picture now. We're going to have a go at writing a th word. Before we sound out this word, see if you can practice writing our diagraph in your learning book. Make sure the t comes before the h to make the th diagraph. Have a go at writing it in your learning book. Once you've done that, we're going to sound out path. Let's put the sounds on our fingers. P-a-th, path. See if we can do it faster. P-a-th, path. How many fingers have you got? How many sounds do we need? Well done, 3. P-a-th, path. Have a go at pausing the video and writing it in your learning book. Should look like this. P-a-th, path. Making sure we've got a straight line that goes down for P. Right, this time I'd like you to have a go at writing some th words in your learning book. Use your sound fingers to help you spell the word. So we've got bath, moth, and a thick pencil. They all have the th sound in, so listen carefully when you use your sound fingers. Have a go at writing them in your book. Let's see if we can read this sentence. Can you spot our new diagraph? Th. Let's have a look at the picture. What can you see? There's a moth. And where is it? It's in the bath. A moth in the bath. We've used the picture to help us read the sentence. Let's have a go. Use your reading finger and follow it with me. Off, moth, in the bath. One more time. A moth in the bath. Did you spot our diagraph? I can see it twice in this sentence. It's at the end of moth and at the end of bath. See if you can pause the video and have a go at writing it in your learning book. And then as a challenge, we've got another sentence for you to have a go at. See if you can think of a sentence for this picture. What is it? It's a shed, and where is it? A shed on the path. Put the words on your hand so you know how many words are going to be in your sentence, then have a go at writing it. Once you've wrote it, have a look to see if you've got it right. Have you used your finger spaces at the end of each word? Those finger spaces will help you read it back.